I teach music.
Hello, I'm Mr. Artist and I teach band and music. This is our classroom.
Hey, I'm Miss Gilbert.
Hi, I'm Mr. Glass.
We'll be
We'll
your
be your
PE
PE
teachers.
teachers.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Robertson and I'm the Career Connections teacher here, and here's the lab. Hey guys, I'm Miss Denny. I'll be your ag teacher this year, and this is my classroom.
Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Hartgrove and I am so glad to see you coming in soon. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to have a lot of wonderful books for you to read this year.
Hey, I'm Miss Long. I teach Family and Consumer Sciences, or FACS as we call it for short.
Hello, my name is Miss Martin. I teach art. I hope I have you in my class this year.
Hey everyone, this is Miss Terry and I'll be teaching the Fusion Reading Lab this year. So I'm really excited to see you guys. It has been over 5 months. So if you are in the Fusion Reading Lab, you're going to come down 6th grade hall and I'm in room 604.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Clendenning, and this is the 8th grade class for French and the 6th grade class for Foreign Cultures.
Good morning. My name is Miss Bob, and I am the Spanish 1 teacher for 8th grade and Foreign Cultures for 6th grade.
Hi, I'm Miss Criswell. Welcome to Reading Lab.
Hey, I'm Miss Mayhew. Welcome to Math Lab and Reading Lab.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Thornton. Welcome to Keyboarding and Computer Solutions.